changes, यदि U static changes होगा तो youth stage में ही river started cutting deep valley. Old stage में river started cutting deep valley. This is the famous example. Yes, and due to tectonic upliftment there will be also the river become active. अब ये old stage में चल रहा है. Like I said that Grand Canyon in I said छोटा नागपुर और Grand Canyon in I said California state of USA on the Colorado River. That is an example of, I said that best part of rejuvenation and different polycyclic landforms you can be able to see in this region. Clear? और दूसरा चीज है कि ये हमने क्या देखा, some changes, upliftment of land, that is in a tectonic, lower of the sea level, that is an eustatic change, and then greater stream flow means climate change effect. And then stream valley takes on the youthful characteristics but retains feature of older stage as well. Old stage में ही meandering और साथ में entrenched meander, river start valley, लेकिन can happen at any point in the any cycle. Cycle में कहीं भी rejuvenation takes place. Understood? Extra upliftment can happen. So little bit we'll have to see the demerits. इनके assumptions कैसे हैं? How do these assumptions are? How do these assumptions are? Highly simplified. Yes? And which are rapid upliftment. We did not explain all. Rapid upliftment without erosion, erosion after the upliftment, long crustal stability, homogeneous lithology, homogeneous climatology, and then he said that humid region. All. Rapid upliftment and stable landscape upliftment is not viable. Slow period of erosion can be disrupted by the dynamic, endogenic and climate changes. हो सकता है ना जब slow. He has said that long crustal stability. Time period is more. That time में endogenic forces will continue na, according to the plate tectonic. And then crustal deformation can take place. He said that this period, long period of crustal stability and after that it is going on. तो जो हम लोगों ने अभी बोला कि this interruption can be there and then how it can be interruption can be there. इन्होंने बोला slow period of erosion. Erosion is taking in 3 stages with because of the long what is the stability, but this long stability cannot be there. Therefore, in long stability means slow period of erosion can be disrupted by dynamic, endogenic forces and climate change. And climate change तो आप देखते हो कि कुछ लाख साल में भी आपको हो जाता है. So there will be this kind of interruption can be there. This is a demerit. Upliftment and denudation are divided into separate episodes, which is completely what? Unrealistic. और इसको ideal भी नहीं बोल सकते. It is not an ideal concept, it is not an realistic concept. So better to say, but it is a completely unrealistic thought that he has utilized assumption. Long stability of land mass is not possible. The reason behind that we have seen. It is what? That according to the plate tectonic it is not possible. Rock structure may not be homogeneous because we have seen in the long geological time scale that our earth crust has been faced. What is the name? Earth crust has faced several geological activity and the different layers of structure come, and then we have got the heterogeneous. We have got heterogeneous. His cycle overly emphasized time. It is what उन्होंने time को बोला youth explain नहीं किया. I have said the initial level. He said that landscape is the function of structure, process and time. He emphasized structure but process and time के बारे में explain नहीं किया इन्होंने. लेकिन time है important that he has said. But he did not explain about the time, how it is the time is important. So time के अनुसार से landscape development हो रहा है. That I have said that it is a time dependent. I said that this devincial cycle of erosion, it consider only mid latitude, that is in a humid temperate environment European. कल बताया था it is in the humid mid latitude countries, and thereafter it focuses on what? Which geomorphology? River related fluvial geomorphology. It neglects depositional and biological process. कहीं पे बोला कि if in the mountainous region, if the deforestation will take place, then there will be a real erosion and gully erosion can also make a small V-shaped valley along this. कुछ ऐसा कहा. He did not say anything like this. Understood? The penny planes are not observed in the real world. जो उन्होंने बोला कि there is a one monodonok and with the help of this there is a large feature place plane. And the real world में ऐसा large featureless plane नहीं दिखता है. क्या? हाँ, deltaic zone दिखता है लेकिन large featureless plane you can't be able. So in the real world the new word coined by Mr. Davis that penny plane does not exist. And it is in a deductive approach. तो पूरे इस फ्लूवियल डायग्राम फ्लूवियल को लेकर उन्होंने पूरा क्या कर दिया, डिडक्टिव मेड कर दिया, मिस जनरलिस्टिक थॉट को लेकर एक स्पेसिफिक साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन इन्होंने बना दिया. एंड दैट इज एन कंप्लीटली व्हाट आई सेड दैट देखने में आसान लगता है, सुनने में भी अच्छा लगता है, बट इट इज एन नॉट टू मच साइंटिफिक. Formulation of amount of energy required to landform development is too simple. बस उन्होंने क्या बोला, while the land has uplifted, several energies started originating from there, and for long time this energy is existing, or that energy is helping to giving us different types of landform. So that energy, it has been explained in very simplistic form. तो और कैसे exogenic forces उसको तोड़ते जा रहा है. So it is this is what demerits, लेकिन इसके some merits देखेंगे. आपको पिंक समझ में आए और कोई और समझ में नहीं आए, बट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड डेविएशन साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन वेरी इन व्हाट लीसिड मैनर. इसको लैंडस्केप को भी आप, और आज भी मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड इज एन जोग्राफर यूटिलाइजिंग देयर लैंडस्केप इवोल्यूशन, क्योंकि ये इनके लेकुनाज हैं, बट देयर इज एन लैंडफॉर्म, सच लैंडफॉर्म्स आर एग्जिस्टिंग एंड सच लैंडफॉर्म आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन द डिफरेंट स्टेजेस. इट हैज बीन आल्सो सीन. देयरफॉर इट इज वेरी सिंपल, लिसिट टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू ऑफ लैंडस्केप. इसके जितने भी लैंडस्केप बताए हैं लॉन्ग टर्म में वी कैन बी एबल टू सी दैट दीज आर एग्जिस्टिंग. यस. एंड दाउ अपलिफ्ट इज इंटरमिटेंट, एक्सेलरेटेड, रिटार्डेड एट द एंड, डेनुडेशन विंस. ऐसा कहा गया है कि आई सेड दैट उन्होंने भी दिखाया कि लास्ट में क्या हो रहा है, डिपोजिशन हो रहा है. यस और नॉट, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. और हम लोग जानते हैं कि देयर इज एन सम, आज भी हम वी आर द पिंक हैज आल्सो सेड दैट there is a rapid initial, there is a rate of upliftment is more, but the slowly and slowly upliftment rate has what, reducing. Yes or not, acceleration and thereafter deceleration, and finally there is who wins, denudation. तो इन्होंने भी इस चीज को प्रेजेंट किया है. he has also presented that I said that there is an uplift is what I said that actually में uplift is intermittent, इन्होंने one time कह दिया, and then accelerated, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे डाउट है, लेकिन रिटार्डेड एट द एंड विद द डेनुडेशन winds. Land is worn down and converted into penny plane. But real world में penny plane is not existing, but the large penny plane, like in some small penny plane is existing. If we'll go in our what? Deltaic zones, below, nearby the deltaic zones, some featureless planes are existing on which I said that nearby mangroves are growing. Clear? I said that development of drainage basin is what well explained. आप इनके इस थ्योरी से एक चीज जरूर पाओगे कि वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट रिवर लैंड फॉर्म. यस ना, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रिवर लैंड फॉर्म, एनालॉजी विद द ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी और रियलिस्टिक एनालॉजी विद द लिविंग बीइंग. तो आप इसको क्या कर सकते हो, ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी से हाउ यू कैन डू एनालॉजी विद द ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी. जस्ट टेल मी. Analogy with the human geography or realistic analogy with the living being. Okay, 3 stages. Means analogy with the human being. Analogy with the human geography. Yes? Huh? Yeah. When I was teaching you, you remember that हमने settlement pattern, economic activity, understood, and where what is happening, कैसा population density, where this kind of activity is happening. So this way we can be able to see that this river landform division cycle of erosion के through जो हम लोगों ने समझा, तो कहीं ना कहीं I said that it is an analogy with the what human geography, and also it has an analogy with the I said that human life cycle. Understood? Human life cycle. Life cycle का मतलब क्या है? Stages, youth, mature and old stages, and human geography. आप लोगों को पता है, मैंने बताया था significance in the each stages. So it is I said that analogy with the human geography, it successfully integrates the concept of base level and profile of equilibrium. So everywhere it is in a what? Endogenetic and exogenetic forces are making an equilibrium, and on the basis of this equilibrium we are getting different kind of landforms, erosion and deposition. And equilibrium आपने देखा था, एक तरफ यदि रिवर क्लिप बन रहा है तो दूसरे साइड क्या बन रहा है? स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप. फटाफट बोला करें. यस, स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप बन रहा था. एक तरफ से पुल्स बन रहा है तो दूसरी तरफ क्या बन रहा था? और सो एनर्जी को कहीं ना कहीं इक्विलिब्रियम को मेंटेन किया जा रहा था. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो आई सेड दैट देयर विल बी एन इक्विलिब्रियम विल बी देयर. इट सक्सेसफुली कंबाइंस डायस्ट्रॉफिज्म विद द ग्रेजुअलिज्म. तो ग्रेजुअल फॉर्म जो लॉन्ग क्रस्टल स्टेबिलिटी दिखाया है, तो इसको डायस्ट्रॉफिज्म को दिखाया है, लेकिन रैपिड अपलिफ्टमेंट क्या है यहाँ पे? डायस्ट्रॉफिज्म को नहीं दिखाया. He has not been able to see, but the long time crustal stability को थोड़ा सा diastrophism के सिखाया है, but it is an I said successfully combines diastrophism with the gradualism, not with the rapid. Understood? Gradual जो long crustal stability है वहां पर अभी हम लोग मेरिट की बात कर रहे हैं. डिमेरिट्स में हम लोगों ने तो इसको डिमेरिट दिखा दिया था, that he has been wrong uplift, is an uplift rapid, but it is an if I said that gradualism in the long crustal stability के साथ इन्होंने क्या दिखाया है? डायस्ट्रॉफिज्म को कंबाइन किया, एंड इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू वाइड रेंज ऑफ इरोजनल लैंडस्केप. और कई जगहों पर इरोजनल लैंडस्केप के साथ हम थोड़ा सा कंबाइन इसको करके देख सकते हैं. दीज आर द मेरिट्स एंड दीज आर द डिमेरिट्स. सो मेनी, आप जितना भी याद कर लें एंड बार बार सोचें. कैन यू से दैट ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी से करिलेट कर सकते हैं, एनालॉजी कर सकते हैं. ह्यूमन लाइफ साइकिल से हम लोग वी कैन मेक एन एनालॉजी, एंड देन इससे बेस्ट ड्रेनेज बेसिन को हम लोग एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया जा सकता है. एंड वी कैन बी एबल टू सी ही हैज शोन दैट डेनुडेशन अल्टीमेटली विंस, एंड देन आज भी हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि डेनुडेशन अल्टीमेटली विंस. डेनुडेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? यस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? इट इज एन sequential process of weathering, erosion and deposition. It is an equilibrium. So, and कल हम लोगों ने स्लोप डिक्लाइन देख चुके थे, कर चुके हैं. वी हैव डन दैट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द पेंक्स साइकिल ऑफ इरोशन. पेंक्स साइकिल ऑफ इरोशन. क्लियर? और ये पिक्चर बना देना आपकी जरूरत के अनुसार से, जैसा लगे दैट यू कैन ड्रॉ. आई सेड दैट ये आपको इस पिक्चर बनाने में एक्सपर्ट हो जाए. ये आपको पता है कि mountains, valley, धीरे धीरे valley started widening, but finally valley started widening, and then we have been able to get said that. और ये क्या है? What is the relative heights? These are what? और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Absolute height. And Mount Everest 8848 is a relative height or absolute height? Huh? Absolute, with respect to the mean sea level, and there is a relative height. And then we are able to see there is a relative height means water divide summit. ये कौन सा है? water divide interflow. ये धीरे धीरे मैंने कल भी बताया था, that keeps on what? Decreasing, and widening of the valley making the water divide summits to be narrow. तो ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे लिखनी है. Yesterday I have mentioned that in the youth stage, in the mature stage and old stage, when I was explaining you slope decline of Davis, at that time in the youth stage, what is happening? I have mentioned. What is happening in this one? I said that there is I said relative height is there, and then the relative height of the water divide we have seen is high, and then water divide width is also very wide. But after that, when the lateral erosion started becoming more, what happened? And thereafter in the second stage, that the relative height of the water divide, the relative height of the water divide is decreasing, and then water divide becoming narrow. But in the last stage, what happened? Water divide become very narrow, that converted into, it is in the, according to him, it converted into in the form of Monadnock Inselberg, and there is a very wide valley, and that is, according to him, it is considered as a penny plain. Understood? Monadnock or Inselberg in the third stage. तो ये तीन चीजों को यहाँ पे आपको दिखाना, और कुछ नहीं दिखाना. यहाँ पर you have to talk like I said that. What is the relative heights? What is the relative height का मतलब है with respect to, I said that, valley, with respect to height of mountain summit, with respect to depth of valley. Understood it? This diagram should be, और ये डायग्राम आपके जो नोट्स दिया गया है इसमें बना हुआ है. Understood it? क्या क्या लिखाओगे? Yes, what you will say that? Relative height. Understood? And relative height के साथ किसका relative height? Three things you have to say. Relative height of the water divide, width of the water divide. Another I said that. Yes? Another? यहाँ पर कैसा रह रहा है? Deep valley, narrow valley. फिर यहाँ पे क्या होने लगा? Valley started widening. Another, water divide, height, relative height, started what? Shortening, decreasing, reducing, and then water divide, width started becoming narrow. Understood? Three things. Again, three things in the last. Valley become very wide and wider valley. यहाँ पे narrow valley started widening and very wide valleys.